Hi friends, let's start the video with some quotes. People will forget what you said. People will forget what you did. People will never forget how you made them to feel. So at the end of this video, I will make you guys to feel complete. I am here to explain my mini project which is about how the real-time ATM machine works. Before start, I want to introduce myself. I am Shakti pursuing BE EEE department in Savita Engineering College. My friends Santosh and Harish worked with me as a team to complete this mini project using Java language. Okay guys, let's move on to the project.
This is the output of the program. In case 1, I am going to create an account. Enter your name is printed. The name is Hari. Then enter your password is created. The password is Hari. In case 2, I am going to deposit the money. It is asking for username and password. I am enter the username as Hari and password again. The amount is 1000 as deposited. Your amount 1000 is deposited successfully is printed. In case 3, I am going to withdraw the amount. Again it is asking for user ID. I entered Hari and password as HA. The amount is asking for amount to be debited. It is 250 as debited I have entered. Your amount 250 is debited successfully is printed. In case 4, I am going to see my balance amount. Again it is asking for user ID and password. I am entered and it is showing that bank amount balance amount is your account is 750. In case 5, I am going to end the application. After clicking 5, thanking for using SSH Bank is executed. If I have entered more than 5 case, now I have entered 6, which is not in the place. So it is showing please enter a valid choice. I have user try catch exception. If the user enters some alphabet or symbol, it will show. If the user types alphabet or symbol in the place of number, it will gives and throws an error. Error occur, use only number. Now my friend Harish and Santosh will explain about the program.
Hello friends, my name is Santosh. I am explaining for an ATM simulator. It will consist of 2 classes. For first class name is bank account and second class name is Shakti Bank. I am explaining bank account. For bank account packages ATM simulator. For import we have to use library file and we have to using public class as bank account. For public class which the attribute is consisting of string as name and string is password and the double as amount, draw and balance. For using as constructor public bank account with parameters as string n and p. For storing the data as name and password. My friend Harish will explaining second class as Shakti Bank.
My name is Harish. I am explaining Shakti Bank as second class. I am importing package as ATM simulator and importing Java util as library file. In this public class Shakti Bank second class, public static void main as main method. I am including 3 attributes string, double and int as option. Scanner is used to scanner object create to scanner. SC is named as the scanner object. System.in system as class and in as object. Array list is used to create a name of array list named as bank. Next try and catch block is used. I am including a while condition here. Totally 5 inputs are printed. Create and enter into your account, deposit amount, withdraw amount, balance inquiry and exit. The option is used to store the input values that are created in first case to be stored as option. Here switch case is used. I am using 5 cases: case 1, case 2, case 3, case 4, case 5. Case 1 is used to creation of an account. Enter your name is printed. It is used to enter your name ID and it is stored as name. Next enter your password is printed. It is used to enter your password named as pass. Next case 2. Case 2 is used to deposit your amount. Enter your user ID is printed. The user must enter your proper user ID name stored as N1 and enter your password is printed. The user must enter your password stored as P1 temporarily. I am using a for loop is here to check the condition. If else statement is used here. If statement is used to compare the creation of an account and case 2 account should be equal, and the creation of a password and case 2 password should be equal, and the next iteration should be your amount should be deposited successfully. Your amount percentage is deposited successfully should be printed, or otherwise please check your user ID or password should be shown. In case 3, we need to the case 3 should be used to deposit the debited amount successfully. In this case, enter your user ID is printed, and enter your password is printed. Same as second case, if else statement is used to check the user ID name and password that created before, and it equals both of them and matches should be done, and you want to enter your amount to be credited, or otherwise the iteration goes wrong. It shows the please check your user ID or password. Next iteration, case 4. Case 4, same as case 3, we want to enter your user ID and you want to enter your password. It is stored as N1 and P1. Same as case 3, if statement is used here. The name that given in creation and now, and password that created in first case and now should be equal, and both should be matched. The balance amount in your account should be shown, or otherwise please check your user ID or password should be shown. Next, case 5. Case 5 is the end of this application. Thank you for using SSH bank should be shown, or otherwise if the user enters a invalid number as a 6, it should be shown as a please enter a valid choice. In this try and catch block, the exception added as error and throws a message error occurred, use only numbers. If an user includes any numbers, any alphabets instead of numbers, the output as shown as error occurred, use only numbers. Thank you all for watching this video. I'm really pleased to be here.